So have you tried that exercise? Yeah, yeah. Today we discuss about functions. Yeah, correct. Okay. So function, I think a little bit we discussed no that day. So how that function structure it looks like. So this function no it have okay. So function name. Okay, okay, fine. Yeah. So function name, function name, body, and arguments what we are passing. Okay, so it looks like this. So here you can see function name. Okay, and this is the exact body within the loop, and this is the arguments which we are passing. So if you are not passing, let's see what happens. Because it's don't having any value, right? Greetings is a function, right? Within this we are trying to print using echo, but $0 1 2, right? It should have some arguments, then only it will take that arguments and it will print. So $0 we already discussed, no. It will print the name of the file actually. So it's a common concept in Unix. And 1 and 2, like greetings is a function name, right? So this is $1 $2 like this. So that's the reason it's print hi. $0 is main.sh and my name $1 Kiran, $2 is Anbu, like that it is printing. Okay, so function and the list of the commands like this. Okay, this is like a syntax. Okay. So name of your function is function name in this example, and you used to call it from anywhere or elsewhere in your scripts actually. The function name must be followed by parenthesis, followed by the list of comments enclosed within the braces. So this is a proper structure. Okay, this function name, no, you can call anywhere actually in the entire shell scripting. Okay, with arguments. So this is one more example. Just okay, bin sh. Okay, this is starting point. Then the function name is hello they are creating, and inside you have only echo hello world. Okay, let's try this. Hello world it is printing. So let's remove and try. It's not printing anything. You can see the difference, no? So function you are creating, just the structure is like this. Okay, bin sh. Okay, then function name and the comments should be inserted within this braces. That's the body. Okay, you should call this function. Okay, just you are creating the function. Within this you have echo hello world. To make this function to work, you need to call. Okay, so if you are calling hello, then what happens, right? This particular hello function will be called, and inside hello you have echo hello world, then it is getting printed actually. So if you have just a echo hello world, no, within this script it will print like this, right? I am saying like this. Okay, so if you have like this, it will print hello world. But if you are writing some echo, some scripts within function, right, you should call. Unless that, it won't echo it. That's what it says. Okay, this example we see, no. How many ways means I can get just one way, right? So you should keep that function name anywhere in the script actually. That's it. Yeah. So any function if you are creating and you have braces, right? Within this you put your concept commands. To make that function should work, you should call anywhere in the script. anywhere in the shell scripting actually. That's it. So it doesn't mean like to put the top or bottom like this. You should call once your function name. Okay. Okay, let's try this. So this one you know, right? Here, uh, this one I didn't say. In Python and Unix all same, I think. Even you have this one in C also, no? If you put something like this, means it's like commenting, right? This is single line comment. Hello. Yeah, because some people they will understand this is also part of the command. They will think actually. So this is not multi-line command. Correct. Yeah, multi-line command looks like this, right? Yeah, yeah. In few have two slashes, huh? Like this also. I don't know. That's what I came across. No, like this I came across. I mean, I came across like this in Python and Unix. But this one double slash, huh? Same slash star only, right? Okay. So Java, Unix, Python, all okay. Single line command. This is multi-line command. Okay. So when we execute it, we can see. So what they are doing, just they are creating the function, right? Hello, and you have some commands, right? Inside that you have list of commands like echo and return they are using. Invoke your function means you need to call that function, right? So if you are writing hello inside echo return 10, when you are running, it won't print hello world like that. You should call this function. Call this function means just you have to put that function name. That's it, hello. If you're creating test braces means function name is test. You have to put test in your function anywhere. Sorry, you have to put test in your shell scripting somewhere, then only it will be get called. Okay, so this is function. Return 10 means it will return the value 10. That's it. So return means that's what, no, return 10. So first we will see this one you understood, no? Define your function, invoke your function hello, it will get called. Okay, then hello, inside you have hello world $1 $2, right? So hello world it will print like this itself. Okay, and dollar one is Zara and Ali is $2. Yeah, yeah. So hello is function name, and it follows with arguments $1 $2 $3. So that's the reason hello world Zara Ali. This output is this one. And return ret one. This one we are that day we have seen about the special variable assignments, right? So instead of like normal normal assignment is like x declaration is like x equal to 5, y equal to 10. We have seen about the special variable assignments like dollar question mark dollar hash dollar star. So dollar question mark, what it will do? So dollar question mark, it will check the exit status of last running command. So this is very important, very 100%. It's very important actually. So mostly you will use that day also I said, no, dollar question mark you will frequently use in the uh, scriptings in real time scenario also. So let's okay. So this one gives status of last executed command. So here if you see, right, it's echoed hello world Zara Ali, and it's returning final value is 10. So the status of last executed command, that value it will take actually. So that's the reason here what it will do. Okay, sorry. Okay, so ret equal to dollar question mark is 10. Okay, now ret equal to 10. Then you have echo return value is dollar of ret is equal to 10. So it's printed 10. Understood, no? Yeah. So whatever you are returning, right, that value is return status, exit status of the last executed command actually. That's it. So that value it will store in this variable. Again you are echoing and it's giving like 8 actually. It's very easy only. Zara Ali, uh, yeah, okay, it is printing. It's very simple only function. Yeah, yeah, ret is one variable, right? Correct. And instead of the normal value assignment, we are assigning special variables. Okay. And number of arguments, I think star sorry dollar hash is number of arguments passed to the script. That one I have to check. So 1 second. Unix. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Number of arguments supplied to the script. Okay. Oh, this one is there. No, Suresh. So you try to refer this PPT, right? And mostly means what and all the examples I am showing, that is from tutorial point only. So that one you will have here, right? So you try those programs, and apart from that, give giving you exercises. No, I can give few also, few more exercise also. You can try all those actually, because no, what I'm explaining, not apart from this, right? Like that I'm saying. So here itself, is it? No, no, it will open tutorial point only, no? Yeah, tutorial point only is opening. Why it's not opening? One or two might be I tried from different good means any other website, but mostly from tutorial point only, right? Control click tutorial point, it will go. And here you have more explanation. Mainly, like you can see more examples and you can try. It should work, no? Because this itself more enough actually. Like you have all the important commands, and for example you can refer here, and the coding rooms you can try those examples. And apart from that, I given you exercises, no, and you can try those exercises. Still, if I have any other material, I have actually office documents, I will send, definitely, yeah. That one like critical actually, that's the reason. Because you definitely get bored actually. They're given SCD like 100 some 10 pages explanation, but this one, no, it's really very easy. Two lines they give what it will do, one example, like this means you can understand. They give like more explanation how they found, and that and all they don't ask, no, like interview point of view actually. Okay, okay, so let's try for another one. So this one calling one function within another function. Okay. So function one is number one, and echo, right? And number two. So that question you have, no, like what are the different ways to place the function actually? So you can place anywhere actually. So let's try this. Let's take number two, and I am keeping here and see. there is not much difference, no, because I said no, once if you create function within this braces, you have list of commands, right? To call this function, you need to put that function name anywhere in the script. It doesn't mean actually, but you shouldn't ask, can I put on the, yeah. So you might ask, can I put on the top? No, you shouldn't put like this, because always there is some format. uh, yes, yes, exactly, yes, yes. If you put on the top on the first line and all, it won't work, no. So proper way is, this one is the proper way. Bin sh function should be created, then you can keep that function within another function. Inside another function you can keep, or outside of the loop you can keep any. Okay, so you asked like this, no, number two. sh- Hello. Yeah. So this number two function I am putting inside number one. I am calling, so it's working as expected. Uh, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes, that's correct. Even it's not working in this way. So number one putting in inside another one, and number two you are calling inside number one. Even that also not working. Both in. Okay, no, that also within this loop, no. If you keep this one out, I think one should be outside. Yeah, because number one, then right echo, then first you are calling number two only, you are calling, I think, no. First number two it's getting called, so it is been. Yeah, number one is printing, yes, yes, yes. Okay, exactly, yes, yes, yes. So if I want, this is the first function speaking, and then this is now the second function speaking, so based on that you can jumble, like you can keep number one outside, like this actually. So outer loop number two is there, so this is calling this one, this function, and this is now that is printing. Then it's have number one, so that it is going this function and printing, this is function speaking. Okay, this function concept is there, but the real time, no, we are not using actually. That's for your information. So functions, no, we didn't use actually. We are not even in old company also functions, we are not, we didn't use actually. Just for concept, what is function, how to call, but real time we are not using function. Like other shell scripting, and what else is there? You have okay, scheduling jobs, those and all you use, but this one, no, we didn't use much. Okay, let's go for command substitution. This is also very important. Okay. Okay, so this is substitution means like assignment, declaration, anything you can call. Okay, so previously I have assigned a equal to dollar question mark, right? So exit status of last executed command, it will be printed in that variable. So this is like normal assignment. Normal assignment is just you are assigning one variable equal to some value, dollar a, dollar a. Okay, okay. Why it's printed like this means you can see, value of a is, so this is some kind of new line character, right? But even though, no, it's printing value of a is 11 space slash n, it should print only value a, right? So you should use echo hyphen e, because this e is like enables interpretation of backslash escapes. So you are giving no backslash escapes like backslash n backslash t table space, and yeah, you have different delimiters kind of thing, no? So to understand that, you should give echo hyphen e actually. Otherwise, if we are not giving, it don't understand. So it print as it is, value of a is 11 backslash n, it will print. So this is like normal uh, substitution of value to that variable. So following is the result without hyphen e option. So this is what we got, no? Okay. So here you can see different escape sequences. So this is backslash. Okay. And so very important things only I say. Okay. This and all we don't use, this alert and all. Backslash we use. Backspace definitely we use. And form feed sometimes we use. New line definitely we use. And table space, in the table space itself we have horizontal and vertical table space actually. Let's try anything. Okay, not much difference. Table space. Okay. And okay, to get a backslash you have to put a double slash. Okay, you shouldn't put here. Um, because A is a variable assignment, no, that's the reason actually. So if you are putting a double slash, no, and when you're echoing, right, so this hyphen E is like it will interpretation of that delimiters. So this double slash, it will understand it should be like single slash. So that's the reason you are getting value of, right, single slash, right, values slash backslash of A is dollar A is 11, and double slash again it will putting as slash. Let's try it. Yes, yes, yeah. So in your output, if you want, right, in your output, if you want some single backslash, right, then in the input you should give double backslash. That's what it means. Okay. So you think, okay, double slash I am giving output. Okay, you are giving. Okay, let's see what it gives. It is also same. Yes. So, okay, but here it's not worked. You can see difference, no? So this double slash dollar a means double slash converted into single slash, right? Dollar a values 11, it's printing. But if you put like this, right, it's print. Yeah, it's not taking the value of. So we should know where this double slash will be used. Okay, if you want in output this one, then you can use. I think single slash itself it's working. No, then we can use. Okay, it give it's print to next line, right? Okay, 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 okay. Why it happened, you know? Dollar V, it takes us vertical tab. That's the reason, no, it's moved like this. Correct, correct. So this one it's printed as okay, single slash now it's printed like this. So that's what, no, it's very sensitive actually. Slash value we are giving, but in understood, slash V is vertical tab. So that's the reason one line it went actually. Yeah, one tab horizontal. No, it moved one horizontal. V means it moves vertical. Okay, that's it. Okay, okay. And I want to say about this uptime. This is also very important one. Uptime command. So how many means how long your server is up actually. So that information will be given by this uptime command. Just you can echo uptime. How we put date, echo date to get the date, right? So echo uptime will give this uptime. So what It means it gives a one line display of following information: current time, how long the system has been running, how many users logged into, and system load information, average for past 1, 5, and 15 minutes. Okay, so as of now, uh, okay, current time, how long the system has been running. This is 4 hours, huh? Yeah, current time. Current time is 4 o'clock. That's not IST, Okay, 4:26, right? As per GMT time. So time and up, how long means how many hours yours is up. Okay, your server, your OS is up, and number of users. What's the load average? Very less, no, because not much users connect to this one. It's like sample environment, no? You can say it's kind of some dummy pseudo environment actually. So that's the reason. So real time, if we use, no, you can see more number of users and load average for 15 minutes with some values. Okay, so that's the meaning of this uptime command. How many means what's the current time, from how long this server is up, number of users, and load average. This information you get from uptime command. That's a very important command, because in this query, right, in this shell scripting they have uptime. So that's the reason I explained what's this. Okay, so this is also some kind of substitution or declaration. So initially we have seen like this example, right? A is equal to 10. Okay, like that some assignments you have done. B is equal to 5, like this. Then we came with special variable assignments. Question mark, logs exit status, and number of arguments applied to the script, like special variable assignments. Now we have this kind of assignments. Okay, so you are having inbuilt function date uptime, like that, right? So you are assigning that one to this variable. You can able to relate, right, these three differences. So this is like normal value we are assigning or substituting. This one, no, using special variables. So this one inbuilt function in Unix only, you have date uptime, so no need to create one functionality for uptime, so that it will display how many means how long your server is up or how many users connected. So no need, because we have inbuilt function. Just you are assigning the that inbuilt function to the variable. That's what they do. And who, you remember who, what it will do? We have seen, no? Yeah, correct. Yeah, correct. Who am I? No. So date, it given date is current date, and echo logged in user or dollar users, right? So number of users is 0, because this pseudo environment, no, it would give like 5, 6, and all. Okay, even though multiple people use coding rooms, you also might connect to this coding rooms. It won't give 2 users, it won't give. So uptime, again, like time, how many hours it is up, all those information it give. Just they are putting one functionality and assigning. So let's try with another one. Okay, users is there. Okay, date. Mhm. Yes, we will discuss. Yeah, job scheduling. Yeah. See, it will work or not. I don't know. Okay. Because awk, what I am trying, right? From date, this is a date, right? Date is dollar date. Echo date. So date output is this one, right? So you have dollar one, dollar two, like this. You have different values in the date. So what I am trying now, I am assigning variable info, okay, to date. In that I want to print only dollar two, dollar three. So it should be like 02 and August. So like that I am trying, but it's saying it's not working because for date, no, it's like inbuilt functionality. From this you can't use awk or SCD commands. You should put file or directory. You understood why this error? Awk cannot open date because no such file or directory. No, no, no. That's what I'm saying, right? So date is inbuilt function. Date, who and all. So we can't. So if you're using awk, right, you should use files or directories. Here it should be like, for example, you have lot of files right here. Okay, mocks.txt is there. One file is there, right? If you use this one, it will work. So it is working. But instead of that, if you're using any inbuilt functions like who, date, yes, yeah, because you that's requirement, no, that's what we we might think, okay, awk we can use, okay, anything, any purpose, we will think like that way, right? We, if you want to print only first column or fifth column, but Unix won't work in that way actually, because no, they spend some time to found different commands, no, awk SCD. So they have basic syntax and basic requirement for each command. So in that way, for inbuilt functions, this awk won't work. Okay, let's try with cut hyphen. I think this is the one. Yeah, cut also. It will take only files or directories. Okay. If you're trying to implement, means put your cut or awk any kind of commands on inbuilt functions like date, uptime, or who or who am I, it won't work. You should give proper file or directory. Then only this cut and awk, these things will work. So now this one came, no, mocks.txt. Second, okay. Complete process, okay. All, I think 10 or 12 questions there. Okay, so we have T is list all the names exported in the current shell. N is to remove the names from the export list, and F is names are exported as function. I will tell you the examples. So here I don't know. They have created anything. What is this? Export means what they will do, right? So you have some path. Okay, so I have PWD, right? So PWD, when I put in putty, what it will print actually? Yes. So PWD, they created one export variable. So whether any new user or old user, right, if you have in real time environment, I am telling, okay, even here also this PW will work. Okay, but in real point of view, real time point of view, when you're using putty, pwd is given your home directory path actually. So that one we set as one variable pwd. So instead of to check which directory path, which path you are currently in, you can put one simple variable pwd. You can see like this, you have different path, right? So what they have done, right, declare hyphen x editor equal to user bin vam. You might forget, right, this path. So this is editor path. Somebody ask, I want to check some files in editor path. So no need to type slash user slash bin slash vam. Just you can type editor, so that it will go to that particular path. So just it's kind of some initialization they are doing. What is this? So you can see no pwd, here you have user code, right, in coding rooms. So they are assigning pwd print working directories home slash ubuntu, and shell path is slash bin slash bash. So starting you write the program, right, slash ash exclamatory slash bin slash sh, like that you write, right, program. So they are assigning shell equal to that particular path. For they're creating different variable declarings, like they're declaring one variable and assigning that particular path. Any doubt you have? Yeah. So you have different paths, directory paths, right? So it's very difficult to remember in real time situation. So that's the reason they are assigning that path to one variable. So for example, I have slash export slash home slash gsskirek, right? That's my current directory path, right, pwd. So I want to go to slash, okay, just listen, export slash home slash gsskirk slash in slash editor. I want to go that path, because that editor only have that all kind of editing files. But I forget, and also I don't want to type each and every time that full path. So what I do, declare hyphen x editor equal to, okay, slash export slash home. I am just assigning that particular path to one variable. That's what it says. So let's try export. If anything is there, it will come. Mostly it won't come, I think. Anything is there. Okay, okay, very good. See here also they have inbuilt export assignments. Okay, for example, okay, declare hyphen x. For just see this command, you have some path slash user slash bin ls pipe. This particular path they are assigning to variable is close. So if you go this one, this is the path, right? So let's see anything, some path is there. Change directory to root directory, ls hyphen ltr. Directory will go cd. No, it's not working as expected. I think if you try here, no, it will work. Putty, it will work. What I am trying, no, let's see. I am going to see whether this path existing or not. ls hyphen ltr. It is there. See, I am just listing. You have this path existing user bin list pipe. It is there. Okay, they have given 755 access. Okay, and they have created this particular file path on September 3rd, 2019. Okay, and they are assigning this one to variable less close. That's what it means. Okay, so like that you can assign, and they have this path, it's very important actually. So mostly you deal in real time. I am telling real time you deal with pwd. Okay, it will print the current directory, and shell is, sorry, where you're saying, sorry. Uh-huh. Ah, no, just I am listing. I am listing here. No, just I am checking that path is existing or not. Also I am checking under this user bin list pipe is there or not. I am checking. But when you are writing the shell scripting file, there this export command will come into picture. Here you can't use actually. Okay, so you are writing some shell scripting file, right? Example 10-15 lines. There, right, you can use that variables like pwd path and all. So if you just, I am using ls, right? Here you can't put ls hyphen ltr slash what that name. Yes, export means I didn't get you. Which command you are saying? Okay, so it will display all the declared variables it is coming. Yeah. Yes, that one, no, within shell scripting file we can use actually. Yes. Yeah, then that's the need of this export variable, no? After assignment, you can use that variable and you can see. Okay, so this and all they are assigning actually. So export hyphen p or export means it will display all the already declared, right, or exported variables. So if you want to create new thing, no, you can use export java underscore home. Like this means it will assign this path to this particular variable. Okay, so that assignment tomorrow we will see. Okay, and then variable we'll see tomorrow. Just I gave the overall hint what this export will do. Okay, so how to use in shell scripting file tomorrow we will see. Okay. Okay, tomorrow we will see about export, and then we have scheduling things. Tomorrow we'll see at, and yeah, in under job scheduling, you have at and cron tab. These are main job scheduling tools, at and cron. So these two things we'll see: job schedule and export. Okay.